Good morning students. This is our first lesson, numbers up to 50. So you have to open page number 7. On page number 7 looking back section is given. So you have to complete this looking back by joining all sequential dots. This is given to check your previous knowledge. Complete it. And then the next first topic is place value. So see what is meant by place value. The numbers from 1 to 9 like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We use only one place to write these numbers. Okay, these are single numbers, so we use only one place to write these numbers. When numbers stand alone, they are in the ones place. Numbers after 9 is 10. But when we use 1 and 0 to write the number 10, we need two places. Okay, to write number 10 we need two places. We write 0 in the ones place on your right side. You have a right hand now, so we write 0 in the ones place on your right hand side and 1 in a new place before it, means on left side, it called the tens place. But the number on ones place is having the same value, but the number which is written on the tens place, it comes in the tens group. It comes in the tens group. Now let us see the next. Look at these people standing one on top of the other at the fair. How many are there? Write the number in the box, then write the number name. You have to count these number of people and write the count in the given box. You can see the number of people which are standing on one another. They are in the tens group. And on right side there is a single person. So you can see here one tens group is given and one single person is given. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So we have to write 11 in the given box and write its number name on the line, ELEVEN. This way you have to complete the remaining numbers from 11 to 20 like this. See the number 12. In number 12, one tens group of people is given and two single peoples are given. So we have to write the count on ones and tens place. Okay, we have two single people, so we will write 2 on ones place. O for ones, T for tens. So we will write 2 on ones place here. Two on ones place, and 110 we have, so we have to write 1 on tens place. Okay, tens place comes in the tens group, so we have to write tens groups count on tens place. We have 110, so we have written 1. So our answer is 12. So write same number in this box also and write its spelling, TWELVE. Complete the remaining one like this. Now see the next page. Color the tens frame according to the number, then write the number name. Here for each number 2 tens frames are given, so you have to see the number correctly, which digit is given on ones place and which digit is given on tens place, and color the frame accordingly. Now for example, here 12, you have to see the frame of number 12. See number 12. In number 12, 2 is on ones place, so they have colored 2 boxes for number 2, and for 1 is on tens place, so it comes in the tens group. That's why we have to color all 10 boxes for number 1. Okay, this way you have to complete. So in number 16, how will you color it? For number 6, you have to color 6 single boxes in the second frame. Okay, 6 single boxes in the second frame. And for number 1, which comes on tens place, it comes in tens group. That's why you have to color whole 10 boxes for number 1. This way you have to complete this remaining one. Next topic is before, between, after, which is given on page number 11. So you can see 3 animals are given here. So in these animals, you can see the monkey is in between the lion and rabbit. The monkey is between the lion and the rabbit, and the lion is before the monkey. Lion is before the monkey, the rabbit is after the monkey. This way, the meaning of before, between and after is, so in the same way, if you consider the number 14, 15, 16, you can see 14 is the before number of 15. 15 is the between number of 14 and 16. And 16 is the after number of 15. Understood? So this way we have to solve the numbers here, examples here. You have to use this number strip to solve these examples. Okay, let us see one example. Write the number that comes after. In the first question you have to write after numbers. So after number of 4 is 5. Okay, so write 5 here. After number of 7 is 8. This way you have to complete the remaining one. Next question is write the number that comes before. In the second question you have to write before number. So which number comes before 5? It is 4. Which number comes before 2? 1. This way you have to complete the remaining one. See the next question. Write the numbers that comes between. Here you have to write between number. Between number of 5 and 7 is 6. Between number of 17 and 19 is 18. This way you have to complete the remaining one. Our next topic is comparing numbers. Here we are going to compare the numbers which is smaller and which is bigger. First we are going to see smaller number. For this, what is given? Draw the number of balloons shown in each. Color the bunch with fewer balloons. One has been done for you. So we have to draw balloons here first, and then we will compare which is the smaller one. So let us draw some balloons here. See the second example. In the second example, first we have to draw 5 balloons here. Five balloons, and for the second number we have to draw 3 balloons. You can see which balloons are less in number, the second one. Okay, so 3 is the smaller number here, so we have to color these 3 balloons by using the colors. Okay, so use color and color this smaller number balloons with your favorite colors. This way complete it. Now see this example. Use the number strip to compare. you have to use number strip to solve these examples. Here smaller in 8 and 9, 8 is the smaller one, so you have to ring this number like this. Okay, so complete the remaining one. Now see page number 13, bigger number. Now we have to identify the bigger number here. For this, these caps are given here. We have to draw some circles on it as per given number, and then we have to identify which number is bigger. Let us draw some circles on it. See 6 and 8, two numbers are given, so draw circles on it. We have to draw 6 circles here. Six. Wait a minute, we will draw again. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are 6 circles, and here 8 is given, so we will draw 8 circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, now can you identify which circles are more in number? 8. Yes, so 8 is the bigger number here, and you have to color the cap which has bigger number of circles. Okay, so you have to color this cap with number 8. Now use the number strip to compare. Some examples are given on this. You have to use this number strip and identify which number is bigger. See the first example, 3 and 6 is given. So in 3 and 6, which is the bigger one? See the number which comes later in counting, that is the bigger one. 3 comes first and 6 comes after in counting. Now when we do counting 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 comes first, and then in the next counting there is a 6. So the number which comes next in counting is the bigger one. So we have to circle 6 here. 6 is the bigger one. This way you have to complete the remaining one. Okay. Now next topic is counting in tens, page number 14. Here you can see buntings are used to decorate a tent at the fair. Each bunting has 10 triangles. Here these buntings are in the group of tens, and when we do the counting in tens, it is called as counting in tens. See, here the buntings are in the group of 10. When they are having one tens group, it is called as 10. 1 10 is called as 10. Second, 2 tens are called as 20. 2 buntings, see here 2 groups of buntings are given. 2 tens group of buntings are given. So 2 tens are called as 20. When 3 tens of buntings group are given, it is called as 30. 4 tens of buntings are given, it is called as 40. 5 tens of buntings are given, it is called as 50. So how can we count it? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. See the next topic is 20s. The 20s. Here this strip of 20s is given. Means each 20s number, you can see 2 is on tens place. Okay, when 2 is on tens place, that all numbers are called as 20s. See, here all 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 20, 26, 27, 28, 29 all are in the group of 20s. Now what we have to do, we have to see this 20 strip and solve these examples. Here you can see 2 10 strip and single 6 ones are given. So we have to prepare the number from it. When we have 2 tens, we can write 2 on tens place. We have 2 tens na, so we will write 2 here, and we have 6 ones, so we will write 6 on ones place. So we get number as 26. The same number we have to write here also in this box. Okay, let us see one more. Thirties. We will see one more example of 30s. This is the 30 strip. You can see in the number 30s, all numbers are having 3 on tens place. See 30, 31, 30 start from 30. We need 3 on tens place, that all numbers are called as 30s. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. All are 30s. Now we have to solve these examples in the same way. You can see in 30s, 3 tens are there, isn't it? 3 tens strip, and here 8 ones is given. So let us write this number on its place. See, 3 tens means we have to write 3 here, and 8 ones are given, so we have to write 8 on ones place. This way we get the number 38. Okay, this way you have to solve the remaining one given on page number 16 and 17. Now next page number is page number 18. What is the topic? Number names up to 50. Here number names are given, and from the number names you have to write its number. Read the number name and write the number. So first is written 21, can be written as 21. 21 can be written as 21. 21. Next 22. How can we write 22? 22. We will write 22 as like this. 23 as like this. 24 as, and 25. This way you have to complete all number names. This is page number 19. How many? One has been done for you. Here you have to see how many objects are given and write its count as per given places. Just now we have seen examples on page number 14, counting in tens. Buntings were given, isn't it? In the same way here, some bananas, somewhere beads, somewhere coins are given, and they the object is given in the tens group. That count we will write on tens place, and if the object is given separately in a single count, that will be written on ones place. See the example of necklaces. 2 necklaces with 10 beads each and 8 loose ones. Here these 2 necklaces are having 2 tens beads. Each necklace have 10 beads in each This way 2 necklaces are given. That's why we will write this count on tens place. And 8 loose ones are given. So that 8 count is we will write on ones place. Okay. So let us write 2 on tens place, 8 on ones place. This way we get the number 28. So write it again here in this box. This way you have to complete the remaining one. Now see the next question given on same page, page number 19. What is the question? Ring the value of the colored digit. One has been done for you. We have seen the place value now. You know the place value. Now here 3 numbers are given. In the middle number, one digit is colored and you have to find out its value in the remaining 2 numbers and ring it. So see in 31, see the first example. In example 31, 3 is the colored digit. 3 is the colored digit. You can see in 31, 3 is on tens place. 3 is on tens place means its value is 30. Its value is 30, isn't it? So we have to circle 30 here. We have to ring 30 here. In the next example, the 45 is given. In 45 number, 5 is the colored one. 5 is the colored one. So we have to find out the value of 5. So 5 is on ones place. So its value is 5. Its value is 5. So we have to circle this 5. Okay. So this way you have to complete the remaining one. See the next page, page number 20. Here you can see climb up the number ladder and climb down the number ladder is given. On climb up the number ladder you have to write forward counting from 1 to 50, and in climb down ladder you have to write down the counting in a backward manner. Okay, so I hope all are knowing the number counting. We have done the practice. So complete this number counting in a forward manner and in the backward manner. Now students, see page number 21. On page number 21, these are the examples. Here you have to write number before, number in between, number after. We have seen this now, before, between, after. So you complete this. Write before number, between and after here. And next is cross out the numbers that are not in order. Then find the word that the rest of the letters make. One has been done for you. Write the complete sentence in the last line. See what is given here. You have to see the numbers are given in order or not. If any number is discontinuing the order, you have to cross it. See this second one. Here 45 is given as the first number. After 45 there is 41, then 42, then 47 is given. See 45, in the sequence of 45 there is no 41 na. After 45 there is 46, but 41 is given here, and after 41 42 is in a order. So we have to cross 45 here. Okay, because 45 then 47 are not in the sequence. So we have to cross this way. Then 41, 42, cross 47, 43 in the order now. 41, 42, 43, 46 is not in the order. Cross it. 44 is in the order. So our order is 41, 42, 43, 44. And see which letters are given on these numbers. We have to
make a word from it. So on 41 F is given, on 42 A is given, on 43 I is given, and on 44 R is given. So we get the word FAIR, fair. This way you have to complete the remaining one, and at the last you have to write its whole sentence on a last line. By using all word, you have to write the whole sentence on a last line. Now on next page, page number 22, comparing number topic is given. We have seen smaller numbers and bigger numbers. Okay, we can compare the number as smaller and bigger number. So here first question is ring the smaller number. So see, these examples are given. So here in the example A, 2 and 10 numbers are given. One number is 2, one number is 10. So which is the smaller here? You have to ring the smaller number. Okay, so we will ring which number? We will ring 2 as a smaller number. Okay, this way you have to solve the remaining one. See here some more examples are given. In the next question, 3 numbers are given. So out of these 3 numbers, you have to identify the smallest one. Smallest one. So see, in example 23, 36, 28. Which is the smaller one? Which is the smallest one? Yes. Smallest one is 23. Right. So you have to ring this number. This way, complete the remaining one. On next page, on page number 23, you have to ring the bigger number. Okay, so complete both pages. Smaller number, for smaller number also, and for bigger number also. Page number 22, 23. Now students, see page number 24. Smallest to biggest and biggest to smallest. This is the order of a number. Smallest to biggest and biggest to smallest. See, smallest to biggest means you can see the balls are given here. These balls are arranged in the size from smallest to biggest. First ball is so small, then little bit bigger one, little bit bigger one, and the biggest one. This way these balls are arranged from smallest to biggest. In the same way we can arrange the numbers also. You can see these numbers. 25 is the smallest one, then 26, 27, 28 is the biggest one. This is the order of a number, smallest to biggest. When we arrange the number from smallest to biggest, that order is called as increasing order. Okay, that order is called as increasing order. Wait a minute, we will write here. When we arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest, that order is called as increasing order. This pen is not proper, that's why I cannot write in a proper way. Just try to identify. I have written increasing order. Smallest to biggest order is called as increasing order. Increase यानी बढ़ते हुए जाना. That is called as smallest to biggest or increasing order. And biggest to smallest. Next order is biggest to smallest. The reverse order. Okay. When we arrange the object like this, the bigger ball, then little bit smaller, then little bit smaller, and again little the smallest one. Last one is the smallest one. That order is called as biggest to smallest. In the same way we can arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. 38, 37, 36, 35. Here 38 is the biggest number, 35 is the smallest number. This order is called as decreasing order. The order from biggest to smallest is called as decreasing order. Decreasing order. Decreasing order. Okay, remember this. Smallest to biggest order is called as increasing order. Biggest to smallest is called as decreasing order. See, one table is given here. You have to arrange the numbers from in the first column as smallest to biggest and the second column as biggest to smallest. See the second example. First have done. So we will see second one. The numbers are given 46, 44, 47, 45. They are given in the random order. We have to arrange it from smallest to biggest first. So here you can see in each numbers on tens place there is a 4. Okay, tens place there is a 4. So see the ones place of each number. On ones place you can see 5 is the smaller, 4 is the smaller one. 4 is the smallest one. So we will write 44 first. 44 first. You have to see the ones place of each number. So 44 is the smallest one. Give comma. Then after 44 you can see 5 is given on ones place. So 45 is the little bit bigger one. After 44 we have to arrange 45 little bit bigger. Then next is 46 and last biggest one is 47. Okay, this way you have to write this order smallest to biggest. Now the same numbers we have to write in a reverse order from biggest to smallest. अब ये आपने लिख लिया तो बस इसे रिवर्स ऑर्डर कर दो, उल्टा ऑर्डर है ना. So let us write in the reverse order from biggest to smallest. So 47 will come first now. 47, then 46, 45, last is 44. This way you have to solve the remaining one. Now see page number 25. As I discussed earlier, order of numbers, increasing order and decreasing order. When number starts from smallest to biggest, it is called as increasing order. And when number starts from biggest to smallest, it is called as decreasing order. The same examples are given on page number 25 and 26. First order is smallest to biggest and then next is biggest to smallest. So what you have to do, in increasing order, climb up ladder is given. See the examples 11, 29. So when numbers are in the increasing order, you have to write numbers from smallest to biggest now. So 9 is given here. You will write next number as 11 because after 9 next bigger is 11 and 20 is the biggest one. So we have to write 11 here. Wait a minute, I will erase this. 11 here and next is 20. Okay, this way you have to complete this order from smallest to biggest as increasing order. Okay, complete the remaining one. Next is decreasing order from biggest to smallest is called as decreasing order. Climb down ladder is given here. See the example 19, 15, 25. 25 is given. So we are writing from biggest to smallest. So we will write the next number as 19, then next number as 15. Okay, this way you have to complete the remaining examples. Now see chapter checkup. In this chapter checkup, all type of examples which we have seen in this lesson are given. So you can solve this, isn't it? So this chapter checkup is for the homework. So you have to complete all these examples given in chapter checkup. So we have completed our lesson 1 here. So let us stop. Bye.